Finding a spot at a Treasure Valley daycare doesn't happen overnight. Most parents start the search for childcare long before their baby is even born, and even then, they're often put on year-long wait lists. So how do we improve access to safe and stable childcare? In tonight's continuing coverage, we explore how local experts say business owners, developers, and lawmakers could play a major role in the future of early childhood education. The pandemic has changed a lot in our everyday lives over the last 2 years, especially for working parents like Lacey Briggs.
Did you have a good nap? He has needs, and when you're in a meeting, you can't just drop everything for a screaming baby.
Like countless other parents across the Gem State, the former Idaho News 6 reporter is struggling to secure childcare for her 4-month-old son, despite putting down a deposit and starting the enrollment process 6 months ago. The Garden City Center citing staffing shortages.
Our childcare originally was just right across the street, and now unfortunately that's not going to be the case. But at this point, it's like, if we can find childcare, then hallelujah.
Through the course of the pandemic, Beth Oppenheimer with the Idaho Association for the Education of Young Children says what's long been considered a personal problem is starting to be seen as a community issue, impacting more than just new parents.
Businesses are starting to understand, oh my gosh, we're having a hard time hiring a workforce because the folks that want to hire, they can't find childcare.
It boils down to this. Without stable childcare, working parents with young kids simply can't go to work, impacting Idaho's economy. There are a lot of factors like population growth and low wages for childcare workers, making it hard to come by. But what if every new business complex or housing development built in the Gem State incorporated some type of childcare in their plans? That's something the City of Boise's Child Care Task Force is recommending.
Always think about, where are our employees going to find childcare, and if there's an opportunity to include a child care center or space within that facility, they should be seriously considering that. But they have to be able to subsidize it as well. It's not going to pencil out, it's not going to be a moneymaker, but it's really that long-term investment that our developers should be looking at.
And it will come at a cost. That's where local experts say government funding can come into play, helping facilities offset costs and increase wages without putting the price on parents already paying roughly $1,000 a month per child.
There's a chance right now, a generational opportunity to really look at how we increase the wages of those providing a vital service, while at the same time dropping some of the costs for families, because it is such a large portion of our budgets.
Our biggest return on investment would be to invest in childcare, because childcare impacts so many different aspects of our community.
And advocates say those first few years are full of learning opportunities. Idaho teachers can see the difference when kids start kindergarten.
A little bit more than half of our kids are entering kindergarten without those foundational skills to be successful. They have never held a crayon, they don't know which way to hold the book when they open a book.
And Oppenheimer says employers have an opportunity to make a major difference as well. While most already offer benefits like medical and dental care, a child care stipend could serve as a major incentive, a piece of the puzzle that could put Idaho parents at ease.
That's his life. That's where he's going to be for so many hours a day. And to not know where that spot is, and to not know if he's going to be safe, while we're working. That's probably the most challenging thing we've gone through so far as a parent.
Karen Lair, Idaho News 6.